Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share with you gbpusd analysis. Our sponsor for today is Ultima Markets, a multi-asset platform offering diversified advantages. So let's start. I'm going to analyze gbpusd seen from a multi-time frame perspective. Currently we are on the daily chart, and as you can see, the price was doing many ups and downs. So overall on the daily chart we are in a range trading movement, so we are without direction. We can consider also the fact that the range movement is very high so far. We can see a movement that is approximately 800 pips, which is very big indeed. And on a lower time frame, what it can be observed is that the price already faced a strong resistance. So during the last 4 days, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, the price couldn't manage to move above this area. The price that was reached during Friday, it was this price here, 1.36. But what makes gbpusd very interesting so far is that if I'm going to drag this on the left side of the structure, we may observe that the price already faced a very strong resistance. So it was tested as a zone multiple times. The price was rejected. We can see rejection, rejection, and this is all on the daily chart. Rejection, rejection again. Here we have it, and here we are right now. The previous breakouts that already happened, they were 200 pips. Another one was smaller. This was 140 approximately, and this was a bigger one. However, what makes this interesting is that we have the price that reacted many times in this area where the price is right now, and the chances are that the price can make a bearish movement from this zone. So taking into consideration that it was rejected many times from this area and only 3 times the price managed to break higher, the chances are very high that we can see a bearish movement. But what is happening on a lower time frame, on a 4-hour time frame? What is very interesting on this part is that during the last days, this was from Thursday to Wednesday, as you can see, it was on Wednesday here, the price was all the week in this zone. So the fact that the price couldn't manage to break through this zone, and it couldn't manage to break through 1.36, this is a clear signal that we have the sellers that are well positioned. Also, the fact that 1.36 is also a very strong psychological price, the chances are that it can push the price down further. And on the left side, if we are going to look at this wave here carefully, what can be observed is that we had this movement. I'm labeling this wave WXYXZ because we are looking at for a bearish movement. So I think that the chances are high that we were only on a corrective movement and probably not in an impulsive movement. However, it doesn't matter. What matters is that we are looking at for bigger bearish wave, for bigger targets. This is what we are looking at right now. And I think that the chances for the price to go down are rising further with the geopolitical tension that is also rising more. So if the geopolitical tension will continue to rise, we may see the USD dollar to become stronger, given that it is also a safe haven currency. However, we have also external factors this time for insider trading, and who know what is creating the strength and the weakness related to many currencies. So this is the movement that I'm expecting at. As you can see, the first target that I'm looking at is near to 1.3460, given that we are also on a major structure zone. So I'm looking at for the structure areas here. on the left side we can see that the price was stopped. It was stopped here, and the same area can also create a minor support before it breaks lower. Once the price will manage to break through the first target, then this broken support will change into resistance, and we may see GBP/USD going down more. This is a major support zone at 1.3380 near to this structure. This is our small and important structure area, but on the left side it has more meanings. If you can see, we had multiple times that it was tested, very strong resistance, so the price has to break through this zone in order to go lower to 1.3250. So this is the movement that I'm looking at. These are the targets. Let's see how the market opens today. I think that GBP/USD is already well positioned for the bearish movement. It will be a bit risky during this week, given that we have also a light economic calendar. However, everything can happen with this crazy market that we are looking at during these days. So this is overall. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Also, don't forget to subscribe on Ultima Markets. I'll leave a referral link below. Thank you. Bye bye.